Hey guys, everything like you know what to do here, and today it will be mini filers from Test 6 requested by MoparFam 300. So let's get started. Okay, so this is requested by the system. This mini system test will be requested by MoparFam 300. Hopefully I said your name correctly. Let's get started. We got the panel, and this is requested by MoparFam. All of this are all the on the system is. Got FCI MS6 pull. My keys are down there. Got the MT, which is the same as last time 5, but it's still the same set. It's still set, same. Go 3 horn. 2424. And with the RS. All this is requested by MoparFam 300. There it is. So, let's go. And let's pull the MS6. Silence. Okay, give it a reset. Through here. Okay, reset. And then we're going to reset the panel. And there's still flashes. Reset. So now we'll do the 2424. We'll get my smoke saber. So, yeah. So there's some smoke saber here. And we're going to test it right here. Get my camera up here. And here we go. Silence. Yeah, plate, that's better. Okay. Okay, there's strobes. I'm going to reset the detector from the button switch. Okay. I'm going to reset. And here's the RS strobe flashing away, same with the MT, but all silence. So give a reset. And that's it, guys. Mini filers from Test 6 requested by MoparFam 300. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it.